Friends, now we come to cold chain maintenance of vaccines in India. What exactly is cold chain? Cold chain is temperature maintenance of vaccines right from the point of manufacturing the vaccine till exactly at the point of administration. So, vaccine may be manufactured in big cities of India, their storage, transportation until they are delivered to a child in periphery of the country. That whole system of temperature maintenance of vaccine is known as cold chain. What is the cold chain temperature of all vaccines in India? Is it below 0 degree? Is it 0 degree centigrade or above 0? It is above 0. All vaccines in India are maintained in a temperature of +2 to +8 degree centigrade, except no exceptions. But still, if you want to see, then OPV, long term storage. So, OPV is also kept in 2 to 8, but if you want to store it long term more than 3 months, then -15 to -25 degree centigrade. Similarly, yellow fever vaccine, which is not in immunization schedule, -30 to +5 degree centigrade is the other except. Now, how do we maintain this cold chain in India? To understand this, let's look at how levels of healthcare are being used to set up cold chain levels in India. Now, we can study cold chain as being maintained at 5 different levels in India, right from the lowest point where a child is given a vaccine, that is a village, session level, above that sub-center, above that primary health center, above that district level, above that state or regional level. Lowest level till which vaccines are stored in India include PHC. So, if you see, vaccines are stored at state and regional level, district, primary health center. Vaccines are not stored at sub-center and village level. But immunization is also required at sub-center and village level. So, what do? On the day of immunization, we transport the vaccine from PHC to sub-center and below. Logical question with logical answer. Maximum chance of cold chain failure is at what level? See, till you are storing the vaccine, you can monitor the temperature of vaccines. It is not a problem during storage. Actual problem occurs during transportation of vaccine. So, sub-center and below, this is the level at which maximum chances of cold chain failure is seen in India. What is the most important component of cold chain in India, on which our whole cold chain system is revolving? That is ILR, ice lined refrigerator kept at a primary health center. At PHC, we also use deep freezer. Their large components, large ILR, large deep freezer are kept at district level. At state or regional level, ILR deep freezers are not sufficient. We have to store lakhs and lakhs of doses of vaccines. So, we use WIC, WIF, walk-in cold rooms, walk-in freezers. These are such big rooms actually in which you can walk through. Now, if you see sub-center level, you have to transfer the vaccine from PHC to sub-center. So, this transport is done by vaccine carrier. And at session level, while giving immunization, smallest component of cold chain is used, that is ice pack. Now, before we go into details of these particular instruments used in cold chain maintenance, let's look at the temperatures they are operating on. Cold chain temperature in a ice lined refrigerator of India is +2 to +8 degrees centigrade. In a deep freezer, -15 to -25 degrees centigrade. Similarly, large ice lined refrigerator at district level and walk-in cold room at state or regional level also maintain a temperature of 2 to 8, and deep freezer or walk-in freezer, they are used to generally prepare ice packs are kept at -15 to -25 degrees centigrade. Vaccine carrier and ice pack also can maintain the temperature of vaccines +2 to +8 degree centigrade. What is the storage duration of vaccines at primary health center in an ice-lined refrigerator? That is 1 month. At district level 1 month again. At state or regional level, storage can be done up to 3 months. Storage is not permitted at sub-center or below at a village level.